our workout today is going to be a combination of strongman stuff and some gymnastics. We are going to be playing around with the sandbag. We have sandbag squats. When you're on the sandbag, the rep scheme is going to be 21, 15, 9. That means the workout starts off with 21, and it's going to be a bear hug. You cannot put the bag anywhere else. It has to stay in the front of your body as you move through this. Then we have 7 chin over bar pull-ups into 7 chest to bar pull-ups, and then we're going to go ahead and finish that first round off with 7 bar muscle-ups. From there, we have 15 sandbag squats, and then it's 5 chin over bar pull-ups, 5 chest to bars, 5 bar muscle-ups. We're going to finish the workout off with 9 sandbag squats, and then we have 3 chin over bar pull-ups, 3 chest to bar pull-ups, and 3 bar muscle-ups. Now, if we need to, we can change the scales of these movements if you have them, but maybe not in this volume. The pull-up, the chest to bar pull-up, and the bar muscle-up. You can change that rep scheme to a 5-3-1, meaning the 7 sets, or the reps with 7 would be 5. The reps of 5 in the middle of the workout will be 3, and then you finish off the workout with 1s, okay? So that's going to be the first way to scale. If you have the other one, pull-ups, but you don't have bar muscle-ups just yet, you can do 3 attempts every time and then just move on. If we're going to scale even further, we can take those bar muscle-ups out and have the chest to bar as the hardest scale. All right, and then we can go ahead and make them easier and easier. All right, so it's always going to start with the easiest movement and then move into the movement that is going to be a little bit more challenging and then the most challenging. So if you take a look at the athlete notes, you can go ahead and see how they're broken down in the different levels here. We're going to talk about the sandbag squat today. When we're doing our sandbag squat, we're going to go ahead and get a hug in there. We can deadlift this up and kind of get that into that chest. And then when we're going, I don't want to see your knees together so that when you're in the squat, that your knees and your legs are basically taking most of the weight. There should be a space in between. Your legs may actually touch the sandbag, and that's okay, but not the majority, okay? So make sure that you're in actually a squatting stance, and we're not in this narrow stance where when you squat, your knees are holding that weight, okay? We're going to stand all the way up on each rep. This is going to be spicy at 150 for the men and 100 for the women. So that 21 set might need to be broken up. For sharing a sandbag, we're going to go ahead and stagger the start today. That'll allow us to kind of get through it and then have some time to move through the pull-ups before you have to get back. All right. This workout's going to be challenging, but I know that you can do it. And we're going to make sure that we're scaling properly so that on the sandbag, you are able to get the majority of the reps done. You should be able to finish the 21 set in at least 2 or 3 sets. Okay, so even with the weight you choose, 2 to 3 sets, no more than that. This workout is going to be a little bit on the faster side because I want you to scale properly. So today, you have 15 minutes to get through this. That should be ample time if you're proficient in all the movements.